Welcome back to the channel, my viewers and subscribers. This is a little update on the upstairs house build. So we have put up the lintels for the windows and doors. So in this video we're gonna dismantle some of the lintels that we have erected. So guys, just stay tuned and watch the process how we dismantle these formworks.
Is it the bush? Are you a walk up all long people in place? Well, go for go look for the and see if I say stay, brother. This is 16 up, this is 17 up there. But this man could do, you know. There's a man a big foundation. Go 3-ton bar there. Nobody yung baki Lintel there, no, brother. There's a whole big ship there. This I have to see. Baka dia masuk pun amot na. You know why not dinner pani weekend. No money na dia fikir api no Dr. Bill na brother. So. Curious man. Yeah. Tolane. Oh. I'll teach you how to drive, brother. What is it, my people? I have a few blocks to put on top of this lintel. The front one, we're going to put a semi-arch on it. So it's a 4 feet window. So we're going to put a semi-arch on top of it, like a 1 foot from top of the window to the height of the middle curve where it's got nail is. So it's a 1 foot.
So I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the building, show you the lintels and what is the next step, guys. So this is a profile board for the expansion of the back of the building. There are 2 rooms to be extended and the kitchen. So this is a profile board lined up at the back of the building to sort out the expansion, guys. So just stay tuned for the update on that one, guys. I will not be showing any digging of the foundation in this video, guys. So just stay tuned for the next one. Just giving you guys a little update on what has been going on the building. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this content interesting, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. See you in the next video. Peace.